What about if I tell you that this product is making £24,000 in sales every month just with 45 reviews? Starting date December 2020, just 7 months ago. Have a look, even doctors are recommending this product. Of course, it's fake, but nice ABCs. Pay attention to details. Let's have a look together at the reviews. Very important. 4.8 out of 5, 5 stars. What about if this product is making £1,200 net every month? Is that enough for you to start selling on Amazon? Would you start if you can make after, let's say, 7 months, 1,200 net every month? Selling just one product on Amazon, because this product, as you can see, is making £24,000 in sales. Sales is not net profit, but what about 10%? 2,400? No, we don't trust that. So should we say 5% because we are negative? Just £1,200 net every month selling one product on Amazon. Is it worth it for you to start?